Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change action button on iPhone 16. Yes, in the latest iPhone 16 and how you can do this. This is really easy and I have mentioned each and every step, so make sure you watch till the end. So here you can just customize this action button, which is the new button which is only in iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro and other version. So first of all, you have to go to the supported model. You have to go to the settings, and inside the settings, you will get this option of action button. And here you can see this is an image, so image of the side of the phone, iPhone appears, where icon representing action you can assign to the action buttons. So usually you can assign that action button for anything, right? Whether you can open a torch or whether you can open a camera, you can open a microphone recorder, you can open your photos. So once you click on the button, automatically for whichever option you have choose or made it assign the action it will perform, right? So here then you have to swipe to the action you want to use, and here you can see there's a lot of option. And here, for example, if you choose this one, bell icon, and there's a slash on it, this code, it means silent mode. So once you click on this action button, your phone will be silent. Same goes for focus, camera, torch, and there's a lot of stuff, and you can choose any one of them. But if you want that your action button does nothing, then just go and choose no action, and it will literally do nothing, right? And in this way, so first of all, you have to go to the settings, swipe to the control panels, then choose the control, scroll through the controls or search for the control you want by entering it in the search field about the controls. Tap the control you want to add. For example, if you want to assign dark mode to action button by tapping this action button, then you can turn dark mode on or off by pressing or holding the action button. Thanks for watching. I'm sure that this video made you really helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.